Hello everyone. Let's learn the second sound of Jolly Phonic Sounds Group 1. Letter A sound A. Letter A sound A. Starting with a lovely story. A family are going on a picnic. We have a family, dad, mom, sister, brother. We are a family. A family are going on a picnic. The children like Sarah, like Ahmed, like this girl, you are children. The children help to pack some apple sandwiches and a blackberry pie. At the picnic, the children feel something tickling them. Some ants are crawling up their arms. They jump up shouting, ah, ah, ah. This is the story of sound ah. Here, we can hear the sound a in ant, alligator, apple. We can hear the sound a, first sound in apple, ant, axe, middle sound in hand, dad, fan. Okay, let's learn the writing of letter A sound A. We will learn the lowercase a. Here, in this way, we write it in this way, half a circle up and down. This is the way we write the sound. Half a circle up and down. We write it in this way, half a circle up and down. This is the way we write the lowercase a, a, a. Okay, here, let's play this game. Can you hear the sound a in sun? No, we can't hear it in sun. Ant? Yes, we can hear it in ant. Hand? Can we hear it in hand? Yes, we hear it in middle sound in hand. Okay, let's continue. Here, dad. Can we hear it in dad? Yes, we hear it in dad. It's a middle sound in dad. Apple. Yes, we hear it in apple. First sound in apple. Nest. Do we hear it in nest? No. Cross it out. Okay. We learned letter A sound a. We can hear the sound a. First sound in apple, alligator, ant. We can hear it as a middle sound in hand, dad, fan. See you next time. Goodbye.